am Jennifer with the Group Travel Family, and I am here with Jim Bob Tours. This is Jim and this is Bobby, and we're at the Going on Faith Marketplace floor. Jim, can you tell me a little bit more about the tours you take? What kind of trips you're planning?
Try to. Of course, you got the Jim Bob in there. I'm Jim, she's Bobby, so that's how we got Jim Bob. We've been doing this over 20 years. We took over the company on a temporary basis just to do it because the lady that owned it was getting too old. She got nearly 80 years old and she was too old. So we took it when we were in our 60s. Now I'm in my 80s, but not ready to give it up. And we've been traveling all over the continental United States for these 20 plus years and hope to do it, just keep doing it. And this conference has been one of the best ones I've been to. It's just been fantastic. We met wonderful people. Some not even in green jackets, but all those in green jackets have been just real helpful. We've gotten tons of information. I'd recommend it to anyone. We're looking forward to the next Going on Faith conference because we want to go. And we flew into Charlotte and came here from Houston, and we're just having a good time. And the hotel's been magnificent. We just really enjoyed it.
Well, I'm glad that you're here with us, Jim and Bobby, and it's great to have you, and I look forward to seeing you next year.
We'll do it.
All right,
we'll do it.
Thank you.